All right, folks, it should look very closely right there. You're going to see the dead bird on 6962 right there. See, it should look very closely. That's a dead bird right in front of the CAD car, okay? It's pretty funny. Huh. So anyways, this is Amtrak 548 to Sacramento, about to depart very soon, okay? Very soon. Thank you. All right, folks. This is Amtrak 548 train. Final destination of the train is Sacramento. I guess the dead bird is going to Sacramento as well too. 6962 Point Bonita, the same train that Max and I rode last week. And of course, 2006 F59 PHI. 2006 F59 PHI. And they got that train off to Sacramento. Heads up to Sound the Rail Fetter out there in Dixon near Davis. That train is coming online. And damn, these trains are setting up car alarms with their loud engines. So anyway, this is Marcel Hall Channel 2. Wish you guys have a safe Monday. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to me, and please subscribe to my other channel Marcel Hall CMH. Thank you. Have a good evening. Bye.